Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Are you also getting "we are sorry but you are not eligible to enjoy this service" in Gangster Mirage City game? Well, many users have reported that they were coming across this kind of error while logging to the game. So I must tell you, when you are getting this kind of error, because you have not selected the proper age that is required to play the game. That's why you are coming across this kind of error. So when you are logging with a guest, so you are not selecting a proper age that is required. That's why you are getting this error. So you have to fix it. What you need to do is you have to, if you are logging with a guest, so simply click on guest, and here you have to enter your age. So that you have to select your age. So you can easily log in with Google and Facebook as well. So you are getting several options or several ways, several accounts to log into the game. But when you are clicking on the guest, so you are getting this kind of error. So you have to, here I will show you how to log in to the game with a Google account. You simply have to click on it, and after that you have to select your account, and after that select the region from where you are, and here you can see please select your age option. Here you have to select your age, so make sure you are 18 plus. So just example, you're selecting 20. After that you have to click on confirm, and after that click on confirm over here. So it will be logged in easily. So as you can see, you can easily enter the game. So by this way you can easily enter to the game and play it. The only reason that you are getting the error is because of the age. You have not entered the age properly that is required by the game, and that's why. So that's all for in this video. Thank you.